How to spot trade on Binance app. Welcome to Binance, the world's leading cryptocurrency exchange. In 3 quick steps, you'll be ready to start spot trading today. Interface Introduction. Log into the Binance app. Click on Trade to go to the spot trading page. On the left-hand side is the Order Book section. Asks on top in red, bids at the bottom in green. This section shows the market list containing the supported trading pairs in each market. Here you can see the real-time market candlestick chart and technical indicators of the trading pair, supported trading pairs of the cryptocurrency, and the Buy Crypto section. Spot means exchanging one crypto for another. Limit price is an order type that allows you to buy or sell crypto for a specific price. Market price allows you to buy or sell crypto for the real-time market price. Users can also utilize advanced features, such as Stop Limit or OCO to make orders. Here, you can see your open orders, order history, and trades history. Before you can start spot trading, you need to have crypto in your spot account. You can buy crypto via different methods, or deposit crypto to your spot account. Buy crypto. You can use limit order to buy 1 BTC. Insert 10,000 USDT for the price. Select 100% for the quantity. Once the market price of BTC reaches 10,000 USDT, the limit order will be completed, and you will have 1 BTC in your spot wallet. If the price of BTC does not reach 10,000 USDT, or you no longer want to wait on the order, you can click on Cancel to cancel your order. Sell crypto. If you want to sell BTC at a market price, you can use Market Order. Enter the selling quantity to complete the transaction instantly. You will find 13,000 USDT in your spot wallet. You are now ready to start spot trading.